Good morning. It's Happy Friday from me. Luna, is it Happy Friday from you too? I love her little nose. Can you see a little nose? And a little head. And her little wrinkles on her head. And her eyes. I sometimes think she could be an alien. Are you an alien, Luna? Are you? Like an alien sent down from her home planet to come and observe. But you know what? The things that she'd be observing are not very insightful, I don't think. Hey, what do you think, Bones? What have you been observing? Hey, what have you been observing? I was woken up this morning by her licking my face. She was licking my lips, weren't you? Yeah, you were. I love her so much. I'm going to get a Luna tattoo. Aren't I, girl? We can get a Luna tattoo. Yeah. Oh. Anyway, right. I've got to do some work. I'm actually logging in. Got a bit distracted. Just giving Luna Boona some love. Can I have a kiss? Kiss, kiss. Okay, right. We've still not nailed the kiss training, but we will get there. Okay, anyway, bye.